Adding stocks to your watchlist on Webull allows you to monitor their performance and stay updated on market movements. Here's a step-by-step guide to adding stocks to your watchlist on the Webull app. Open Webull app. Log in. Start by logging into your Webull account on your mobile device or desktop. Access the watchlist feature. Navigate to watchlist. On the mobile app, tap the watchlist tab at the bottom of the screen. On the desktop app, look for the watchlist tab on the sidebar or top menu. Add stocks to watchlist. Search for stocks. Tap the add button or plus icon, depending on your app version. Use the search bar to enter the ticker symbol or company name of the stock you want to add. Select stock. From the search results, select the stock you want to add. This will open the stock's detail page. Add to watchlist. Add stock. Tap add to watchlist or a similar option. If you have multiple watchlists, choose the one that you want to add the stock to. You may also be prompted to name or create a new watchlist if necessary. View and manage watchlist. Access watchlist. Return to the watchlist tab to view your selected stocks. You can manage and reorder your watchlist as needed, and view real-time data and news related to the stocks.